Good morning, welcome back. A lot of you, of course, are up here in the White Mountains, Mount Washington Valley, to get outside and play and do some hiking and mountain biking. Well, you know what? Those trails don't magically appear, though some may think they do by these little trail elves. And with us this morning is Melanie Luce. She is the executive director of the White Mountain Trail Collective, and they are a nonprofit established in 2017, and they're around to help preserve the legacy of trail stewardship here in the White Mountains. Good morning, Melanie. How are things in your world?
Good morning. They're great. A little bit dreary today, but other than that, it's a good day.
Nice. Well, can you tell us some of the projects, the Trail Collective, the nonprofit Trail Collective? Donations are always appreciated. What are some of the projects you're performing, you're working on now in 2021 in the White Mountains?
Yeah, we're actually finishing up our second year in your neck of the woods in the Mount Washington Valley. We just finished a big project of Echo Roof at White Horse Ledge. And if people want to see a great video of that, check out our Facebook page. We have a great video that Al Hospers from Many Climbs took for us. Amazing work, amazing rock work, amazing stewardship there. Our partners, Hampshire Parks, the Access Fund, and the Appalachian Mountain Club helped us complete that project. And then we also wrapped up work over in the Sandwich Wilderness Range, Paugus and Old Paugus. We still have some work going on Dicey Milk Trail with Jed Talbot. OBP Trailworks is up there. Gosh, the list. We just finished up with the Upper Saco Valley Land Trust, the Ravine Trail project.
Nice. Yeah, that's in the that's the new the Pine Hill kind of thing, and also Cranmore Connector is getting some love.
Yes, and now Cranmore Connector is getting some love. We're doing a major rehabilitation and a slight relocation of that trail. And basically, all the trail work we do, our goal is that we are providing the public with sustainable trails. So for the next 50 to 100 years to come, that trail is going to be set up in a good position to go and will just require yearly annual maintenance.
And can you give us an idea of what you're planning ahead for 2022?
Yeah, 2022, we kind of move over into the PEMI district. We're working with Squam Lakes Association, Rattlesnake Mountain, and there's a lot of rattlesnake mountains in New Hampshire, but this one's a very popular trail, overlooks like Squam Lake, beautiful. Rebuilding that trail with them. We will be at Rumney Rocks with the Forest Service, rebuilding that area. And then we also have some trails, 5 trails that we're working on with the Andro White Mountain National Forest. So we'll be up in that area as well.
Nice. It's funny you should mention the Rattlesnake Trail. That's the trail where I fell in love with hiking in New Hampshire. It's sort of, the winding road, and they have the whole On Golden Pond thing going on, and it's near the nature center, and can I do this? And am I going to get lost? And then you get up to the top. It's like, look at that view.
Yeah, it's a spectacular view. It is a very well-used, well-loved trail. It's what we call kind of has become a highway, this major corridor, and really 99% of the trail that needs to be rebuilt is just primarily from overuse, right? So the more we use a trail, the more we walk on it, the more we recreate on it, the more erosion we see, the more roots pop up. So a lot of times the roots, what's really interesting to me, a little fun fact, when you're walking a trail and you see rocks and roots popping up, that's not on purpose. Those are actually coming through the soil from overuse.
Understood. We also have to be good stewards. And speaking of which, you sort of have come in, the White Mountain Trail Collection, you've come in and you're sort of like an executive producer, and you have all the, and you have to deal with the local talent. And I'll just put it that way. So how do you get everybody together in that green room, and you're getting them to work together and just to go out for sort of the good of everybody?
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's really interesting. So we're a collective impact nonprofit, which means our partners, the folks we're helping, help to steer kind of what we do. They're able to tell us what the needs are, where the capacity needs to be filled, where the gaps need to be filled. So when you have a group like that together and you're identifying common problems that everyone has, it's really nice to see everyone comes together and tries to focus on how to solve those problems. And we're basically the backbone, saying like, okay, we're going to support these efforts. We're going to support solving these common problems and keeping you also, our mission, protect the trails, preserve the legacy, part of our mission is to preserve the legacy of our partners, to make sure that they have complete autonomy, that their underlying missions are still supported, and we're able to help them what they do what they do best, which is maintain our trails.
Excellent. And Melanie, so how can people help support trails?
Oh gosh, well, get out there and volunteer. Find an organization, whether it's with us or with our partners. Get out there, volunteer, learn how to do trail maintenance. So a lot of the times we're fighting, or we're kind of up against people who are so well-meaning and amazing, and we love them, but they don't really know how to do trail maintenance, and we have to fix the work that they've done. So not efficient, not effective. So we would rather come train with us. It's free. We'll train anybody. We'll take anybody, inclusive. Come learn how to do trail work, volunteer. And then the next big thing is funding. These projects don't get done for free. We are looking at we'll be by the end of this year, just over $1.5 million that we've put into trail work. And that's 4 years worth of trail work. So it's quite a significant amount of money that it takes. So if you have the means and you want to give back to these trails, let us know.
And is there a website where people can make donations?
Yeah, wmtrailcollective.org.
Well, Melanie Luce, thank you very much, Executive Director with the White Mountain Trail Collective. Thank you very much for spending some time with us this morning in what looks like a very, very nice location in the woods.
Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.
A pleasure.
Take care.
Be well.
Bye.
All right, thanks again. There you go. So help on out. Go to the website, make a donation, or get those gloves on and go train with the Trail Collective. It'll be an interesting experience for everyone. Well, we are going to take a break, and when we come back, we're going to do probably our last qualifier for Watch and Win for those Titleist Pro V1 golf balls.